I'm so blessed to be able to work with this brand I'm gonna feature today. If you just poop, ow, that hurts. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be having another of that occasional review. I'm so blessed to be able to have another review here on my channel. So if you want to know what brand I'm gonna feature today, then just keep on watching. Yes, you're being a keen observer. My makeup is almost complete except for lashes, because today I have a product from the brand BelleChloe. It's their newest makeup line called Wake Up and Makeup. This video is not sponsored, but this magnetic lashes is gifted to me. They sent it in PR and I'm very lucky to be able to receive this to review for you guys. So if you want to know my thoughts about this one, then let's start. This is the actual box. It's so sleek and it's so stylish. And it says here that this enhances your natural lashes with their patented micromagnetic technology to create lashes that look long, thick, and luxurious, yet undeniably natural, all without glue and adhesives. Because this is a magnetic eyelashes, then it's one of those like trendy makeup things that is being invented nowadays with the power of technology. So let's see if these magnetic eyelashes really work. So this is the actual case of the lashes and I like it. I like the packaging. I like its white clean box and the gold magnetic eyelashes embossed on the box. It really is sturdy. Inside, as you can see, is your lashes. I have already played with this so that I can have an initial feel of the product itself. So here in this case, it's actually made to contain the lashes without it going anywhere because it is magnetic. So this portion right here is made to hold magnets. So that's why your magnetic lashes don't fall off. See? And I think that is very handy. And if the time comes that these magnetic eyelashes won't work anymore, because of course magnets don't retain their magnetic properties for a long time, you can use this box to hold your other fake lashes. So it's reusable and I like that. And it has a decent mirror right here, so you can do your lashes anywhere and everywhere. So this is perfect for on-the-go girls like me. Perfect for those of you who have travels. So yeah, static eyelashes are designed to have the effect of false lashes without the need of wearing glue, because there are other ladies and girls out there who are really allergic and sensitive to glue. So this might be a nice alternative for you. Also, this box comes with its own tweezers. Thank you very much, BelleChloe. And you have here a little cardboard box with all the instructions that you can use if you don't know how to apply false magnetic lashes. Actually, the instructions that are indicated in here, I find it not too much helpful for me, to be honest, because when I tried it off cam, I tried it according to what they have written here, but it didn't work out for me. I had to develop my own way of putting the magnetic lashes, and I'll show you in a bit later. I take one lash. This is for the left eye. So this is my left eye. The lashes come in two strips, one full strip for the upper and three separate strips for the lower. And as you can see here, I'm attaching the full strip first on my upper lash and then trying to seal it with the bottom magnet strips. So as you can see, I have already put one lash on my left eye, And this is the eye without any lashes. Easy peasy. Now let's do the other eye. Now we move on to the right eye, and the same technique. I'm gonna put the full strip first, then locking it with the bottom magnet strip, using the inner corner first and then the middle part, making sure that the natural lash I have is pinched by the false lashes, and then lastly on the outer corner. And that's it. Both lashes are on my eyes. Alright, the demo is done, so I think it's now time for us to talk about the pros and cons of this product. Let's start with the pros. First of all, I like how this magnetic eyelashes look very natural on my eyes. So it doesn't look artificial whatsoever. It doesn't even look like I have false lashes on. It just makes my lashes look naturally volumized and naturally lengthened. And I really like that effect. 10 out of 10 on that department. I am not a false lashes wearer. I don't wear false lashes every day. And I feel like this one, I can get away with saying that I just have naturally long lashes, you know. So that's a great plus for me, and I think that is a great plus for other false lashes wearer as well. Second, it doesn't feel heavy on the eyes. It's very lightweight. Like, if you ask me right now if I'm wearing false lashes, I feel like I don't have anything on. And that is one of the reasons why I don't wear false lashes every way, because it feels heavy on my lids. And aside from that, the glue makes my eyelids itchy, and it seems as though I am very sensitive with the eyelash glue. So this is a nice alternative for me. And for those of you who are really sensitive with false eyelashes, try this out. This might really change your makeup game to a whole new level. Feels as though I don't have anything on, which is really comfortable. So if you want to get that false lashes effect without the need of wearing any glue, without the uncomfortable feeling, then try the BelleChloe magnetic eyelashes out. Third, it has a thin lash band, so it really meshes well with your own lash line. So you won't need to tight line, or you won't need to put eyeliner on, because the lash band is really thin. And as you can see, it looks as though I have tight lined my eyes when I didn't. So amazing, right? And next, it comes with a really sturdy case, and you won't lose your false eyelashes because this is meant to hold your magnetic eyelash as well. Last but not the least, I think this is a selling factor of the magnetic eyelashes. The magnets are really strong, so you won't really worry whether your false eyelashes are coming off or falling from your eyes or not. You know, when you attend certain events wherein at the end of the day you feel as though your eyelashes is coming off, it's because the inner and outer corner is slightly hanging from your eyes. It's not sticking to your inner and outer corners. This one solves the problem for you because of the magnets. The position of the magnets is in the inner, the outer, and the middle part. So you won't need to worry that your lashes are coming off. And the magnets really hold well together. This is a great false lashes to wear to certain events wherein you know that you will have to wear makeup for a long time. For example, proms, parties, graduation ceremonies, and weddings. So you can wear this and not worry whether your lashes is coming off or not. It retails for $22.99, But the good thing is you can actually use my code. This is a discount code. I am not by any means paid to advertise this product, and I don't get anything from this discount code. This is purely for you so that you can have 10% off your purchase. Don't forget to use my discount code. It's at Raya10, and just check their website. It's BelleChloe.com. Now let's talk about the cons of this product. There are not too much cons actually, but like any product, there's still cons, you know? So the first con is that this requires a great learning curve. Like, I had to practice 3 to 4 times before I really got the hang of it. However, if you got the hang of it, if you got the technique of putting magnetic lashes on, you will really apply the lashes smoothly, and it becomes really second nature to you. So take time to practice before you actually wear this, especially if you're gonna wear this on an event. Next, the con is it's a little bit pricey, but considering that you can reuse these lashes for a long time, even longer than your natural false lashes, like the regular false lashes using glue, you will really have a long wear time of this product. And if you really take good care of it, it will last you for a long while. Third con is that the magnets are strong. I know I said earlier that this is a pro, but at the same time it is a con. Because if you are not careful in removing these magnetic eyelashes, if you just attach the magnets right away, you might find that your magnetic eyelashes will be ruined because the magnet is really strong. So the tendency is that it doesn't want to come off easily. So take time to remove it really slowly, really gently, so that you will preserve the condition of your magnetic lashes. And I think that's it. That's everything you need to know. That's the tea, and you decide whether you want to purchase these lashes or not. But for me, this is really a game changer for my makeup applications because I now am hassle-free of using glue, and my eyes can rest from itching their way out because of the glue. So if you have sensitive eyes like me, please make sure to invest on these BelleChloe magnetic eyelashes. I guarantee you this will change your makeup game. So I guess that ends our review for today. If you ask me if this is worth it to repurchase, if this is worth it to really take it, yes, of course, take it. Of course, there are some cons that you will need to consider that I have laid down for you. So it's now up to you. All in all, I can say that these lashes are really effective. It's not just another gimmicky makeup product that has been released. This really works, and once you get the hang of it, you will really like it, and you will find that it is worth the investment. That's all. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!